Welcome to our exploration of one of the most majestic creatures to grace the oceans, the orca, commonly known as the killer whale, the largest of the dolphins and one of the world's most powerful predators. A killer whale prefers cold, coastal water, but they live in every ocean on Earth. Orcas have been seen at both poles and the equator. They are immediately recognizable by their distinctive black and white coloration. Intelligent and social, orcas make a wide variety of communicative calls, each with its own distinctive sound that allows them to be recognized from a distance. They use echolocation to communicate and hunt, making sound that spread all underwater. With echolocation, when the sound hits an object and returns, the orca recognizes its position, size, and shape. Number 5. Orcas are smart hunters. If you have ever heard about the way wolves hunt in packs coordinating their attack, then you have an idea of how orcas hunt too. It can be hard to watch orcas hunt, but there is no doubt they are skilled hunters. They have been known to beach themselves to scare sea lions into the water where other killer whales are waiting to feed. Another technique is deliberately cause a large wave on ice floes to deliberately force their prey into the water where they are easier to catch. They teach these techniques to their young in the process. Number 4. Orcas swim in large groups. A group of orcas is called a pod. This family group can have anywhere from 5 to 100 orcas. They usually average around 40. The more aggressive group is and the more it travels, the fewer animals there are in the group. There is a hierarchy in these groups. The female is dominant in the groups and they show assertiveness by using their tails and even biting. Number 3. Orcas has a varied diet. These huge animals are carnivores but have a very varied diet. They enjoy seals, sea lions, fish, seaweed, seabirds, and even whales. Their teeth are almost 10 centimeters long and allow them to eat meat. Some sailors have called this creature the whale killer because it eats even large animals, so it may have been mistakenly called the killer whale, even though it belongs to the dolphin family. These huge animals eat leopard sharks, great white sharks, and deer swimming between islands. Number 2. Orcas sleep with one eye open. Dolphins sleep by shutting down one half of the brain while the other stays awake, a form of sleep known as unihemispheric sleep. Unlike humans, orcas need to remember to breathe even when they are sleeping, so one half of the brain rests while the other half stays alert to control breathing, consequently keeping one eye open. Number 1. Orcas have a form of culture. Culture is a passing knowledge and language within a group from generation to generation. This is something that is observed in a killer whale population. Scientists have proven that each pod has its own unique dialect and that learned behaviors are passed from one pod generation to the other, a unique feature that is currently known to exist with one other species. humans.